this video, we'll show you how to create purchase orders using SAP Business One. Step 1. Log into your SAP Business One account. Then navigate to the Purchasing module from the dashboard. Step 2. Once in the Purchasing module, locate the Purchase Orders option and click on it to begin creating a new purchase order. Step 3. You'll be directed to the Create Purchase Order form. Here, fill in essential details such as vendor information. Start by selecting the vendor from whom you are purchasing the items. Step 4. Then, item details, quantities, prices, and other relevant information. Step 5. You can also specify any discounts or taxes applicable to each item. Step 6. Review the purchase order details to ensure accuracy. Step 7. Once satisfied, you can save the purchase order as a draft or submit it for approval, depending on your organization's workflow. To save the purchase order as a draft, click on the Save button. If you're ready to submit it for approval, click on the Submit button. And there you have it. Creating purchase orders in SAP Business One is a straightforward process that allows you to efficiently manage your procurement activities.